Ladies and gentlemen, and all non-conforming identities, it's time for the feature presentation. Have you ever heard of twinning hair dye? This is Stella, Ella, and Anna, three best friends with very different hair colors. They think that if they dye their hair red, then they can all match, and then finally they can feel like sisters. Their thought is if they're using the same tube of color, then they'll all end up with the same result. I feel bad for Stella. She has no idea the horror it will be going back to blonde. Now, some of you are probably thinking there's no way that this dark brown is gonna have the same end result as that platinum blonde. So tell me your predictions. What do you think is gonna happen? Twinning hair dye part 2. We're back with Stella, Ella, and Anna. 3 different starting points, but one same hair formula. What's gonna happen? Let's start with Ella. She is a medium warm brown. Her final result is a beautiful, balanced, almost mahogany red. It's not too light, it's not too deep, it's somewhere in the middle. Next, we have Anna, the dark brown brunette. Her end result is very similar to Ella, but hers is a little deeper and a little bit more violet. So far, so good, but now it's time for Stella. A completely different color. It's giving Ronald McDonald. And you know Stella is just freaking out right now, so we're going to have to get her back to blonde. In the end, only Anna and Ella were happy, but they all did learn the valuable lesson that the formula doesn't dictate the final color. Your existing hair color needs to be considered. If you know anything about hair color, I need your help. You already know Stella, Ella, and Anna, they all use the same red hair dye formula to color their hair, and they all turned out different. Ella and Anna came out the most similar because they both had darker hair, but compared to Stella, they're kind of looking like a duo rather than a trio. Stella is feeling hella left out right now, and she's not loving it, so I need your help. What can we use to take Stella's bright red hair and make it more similar to Anna and Ella's? Drop your best formula in the comments, and I will choose the best one and try it out. Twinning hair dye part 4. Today's goal is to get Stella to look more similar to Anna and Ella. We love her bright red, but unfortunately it stands out too much compared to Anna and Ella. So we're gonna have to make them a trio again because everyone keeps saying there's no such thing as a trio, there's only duos. I asked and you all helped me out with the formula. Some of you said go in with a red brown, a darker level to give it more depth, and others said go in with a level 5 or level 6 ash. You may be thinking, why are we going for an ash if we're going for a deep mahogany red? Well, ash has a blue-green background, and when you add that to a bright red, what do you get? Well, red and green cancel out and make brown, and red and blue make violet. So when you mix that on top of a bright red, you're gonna get a deeper, more mahogany color. And now they're finally a trio again.